So it's currently day 17. This morning we had waffles again, since Aiden hasn't had them yet, because he literally just came back yesterday. And then in the afternoon, both of us went inner tubing. He went water skiing as well, but boy, it was even better than last time. You will truly enjoy these videos, just watch them. He's up. We went to go play some basketball, where I got slaughtered in horse again. But we saw an albino, whatever, squirrel as well, which is pretty cool. We then came back to play some makeshift tennis because we were scared that it was going to thunderstorm while we were away. And it actually did as we were playing tennis in the road. The rain was actually pretty beneficial because the lake is still very low. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you tomorrow. So it's currently day 18. Today we went on a little road trip around the eastern border of Minnesota and Wisconsin. We went to the St. Croix River and made some cool dams and things before going on a short walk around a path where there were lots of what they call glacial potholes. There was a big chair, so I want to let you guys know. And then we went to Taylor's Falls. There were actually no falls. We then crossed the Minnesota-Wisconsin border. I met up with a group who worked on a farm. They had a big dog, which I think was called Elmo. They had a waterfall on their plot of land, which was pretty cool, but it started storming again. So we ran back to the car, which was not ideal. Yes! And then we went to the St. Croix River and swam in it. It was so cold. We were there like 4 hours ago and my toes are still freezing. And then on the way back to my grandparents' house, we stopped by White Bear Lake again. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you tomorrow. So it's currently day 19. I'm out here by the lake, as you can tell. There's a lot of water. Today we went to a town called Rochester. We had lunch with one of our friends at a restaurant called Twig's. I had what they call English fish and chips, but were very non-English. I'd call them American fish and chips. Rochester is famous for its Mayo Clinic. It was well, very successful. It's a hospital that was set up by two fellows who were like, this area doesn't have a hospital. Let's make a hospital. There are some statues of them, which we opt by. And then we had the 1.5 hour car journey back, which was pleasant. But when we got back, we went ice skating again. I did fall over. But at this point, I'm about to go in there to play some Sorry, because Sorry is the best game. I'll see you tomorrow. So it's currently day 20. Today was a pretty fun day. In the morning, we went to a place called the Alpine Factory, which is like this indoor ski snowboard slope, but since it's pretty small, the hill moves. I fell over God knows how many times, probably like 20. So my knees are currently screaming in pain, but I have no emotions right now because
That looks like this. Okay? This is our heel side. Before we do that. Whoa.
Afterwards, we went to the grocery store to buy some things for the plane, because that's in 2 days. Back to Britain. I will not get any sleep on the plane, and I will sleep for like 20 hours because sleep is good. In the afternoon, we went to my dad's friend's house. They have a swimming pool in their back garden. Swam for like 2 hours. That's why I'm so emotionally and physically and mentally drained. I have no energy to even think right now. It's currently 10 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm about to go to bed so I can get some sleep, and hopefully I will be more lively tomorrow. So yeah, today was pretty painful, energy draining, but also quite fun. And I will see you tomorrow, but I will not be dead inside. See you then. So it's currently day 21. Today was a pretty fun day. In the morning, as a late breakfast, we went to a restaurant called Perkins. It is well known for its enormous American flags outside their stores, which there was. I got some delicious French toast. After lunch, we went out on the boat again.
Wow, that was a doozy.
Don't really know what happened there.
Look at that.
Up on one. Down. Oh, that was an impact. And then for dinner, we went out again to a place called the Green Mill. I got a huge pizza, which was very nice. I'll see you tomorrow. So it's currently day 22. Today is our final day here in the States. We're actually going to be leaving in about an hour to go to the airport. But this morning we played some board games, and then the last few hours I've been packing for when we head back to Britain very shortly. Buddy's over there, if you can see him. I'll zoom in. Hi, buddy! So at this point, we're just doing some cornhole, which I'm about to go play. We're going to be leaving very shortly, so I'll see you in that montage. About to get on the plane. Hello. Not one, two windows. That's an upgrade. We have landed in Iceland after the painful 6.5-hour flight. Watched many movies. Get out my shot. Look at it! So it's actually currently the day after the last clip was filmed. I just thought since I was so shattered last night, I'd just go to sleep and film it the next day. Which I did, and I slept for a solid 17 hours. But this is the end of this series. If you enjoyed it, I wouldn't mind if you left a like or a comment down below. And while you're down there, subscribe. It's easy, and it just helps out my channel a lot. That's the end of this vlog series. I won't see you tomorrow, and this is Rhodium, and I'm out.